Hey Sarah, what are we doing today?
We're getting some dirt for the garden.
What do you look for in the dirt that you're getting?
I look for dirt that has a lot of organic material in it, and compost or manure to help the microbial activity and feed the plants.
Awesome. Sounds like a whole lot of work for me.
A little bit at the beginning.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll catch up later. Well, we got to the dirt place a little bit late, but they're letting Sarah go ahead and get some, go in and get some dirt. They closed actually about an hour ago. We got here a little late, but they were still here, and I think they're going to go ahead and let us get some dirt anyway. I appreciate the effort for sure. I think I'll tell you later when it's hot and I have to unload this truck. We're now at the living earth. Sarah's back in the truck. You can see all the piles of dirt. If I could get this loaded into my at my house, into my raised bed, I would do that automatically and have them do it for me. I'm just happy they've loaded it into the truck for us. Getting the soil, and it's going to bring it over to the truck. And in it goes. Well, we got the dirt back home. You can see I've got it opened and getting ready to load it into my bucket on my John Deere tractor here. It's going to take a little time to unload this, a little bit of hard work, but it's going to go back to the garden, and we'll be able to grow some good food using it. So we're now at the bed. We're got some dirt back here, and you can see inside. So Sarah, tell us, what are you doing? How are you constructing the bed?
Well, as you can see, there's lots of chippered wood at the bottom, and that is so that when it breaks down, it will help conserve moisture. And this dark brown stuff right in front of me is manure. Maybe you could show the bag. And that is to help the wood break down faster, to get that biological microbes multiplying, and help that symbiotic relationship with the plants when their roots get to it. But it's also for both those things, helping it break down faster and help the microbial action.
So we got the raised bed in here. It's a cedar raised bed, and you can see we've got some moisture barrier in there. Mostly not really needed, but we put that on just to help the longevity of the raised bed, to maintain the wood. And these are 2x6s. It's a triple stack 2x6 construction with 4x4 posts. And you can see that section we've already filled up. That was the last time we got some soil. And you've already seen the soil that we've got picked up today. We're going to put a nice little sign here across these two. So it's been a work in progress. It's going to take us a little while. And Sarah's working the cow manure in. Basically gives the plants some nutrients and help break down the It just actually just gives some nutrients to the soil as we fill this in. Hey sir, what's in this mixture, this dirt mixture of soil that we got? I know there's some green sand. What else is in that?
Well, if you look at it, you can see there's pieces of bark and shredded wood. So that's probably where a lot of the organic material comes from. I'm sure there's compost in there, and they also have cow manure in there. There's expanded shale to keep it from getting compacted, which we have clay soil here, and although we don't have that in the raised bed, it's under the raised bed. But the expanded shale is really good for clay soils, helps keep it from getting too compacted.
Awesome. Well, we're going to get back to it and finish filling this bed up, and we'll take some pictures, and we'll keep you posted, and look forward to more videos in the future.